how do you edit your Instagram photos using Lightroom presets? But most importantly, how do you edit them so that your entire Instagram feed looks cohesive and aesthetically pleasing? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Lydia. On this channel, we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money. If you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, using Lightroom presets on your Instagram feed, on your Instagram photos, will create that aesthetically pleasing look that everyone wants for their account and without much effort. Now, what are your options? You have two options. You can buy an already made presets pack from somebody you enjoy, from somebody that already created them, that is an expert at that, and that spent the time creating them already, or you can start by creating your own based on the feel that you want your brand to have and your feed to have. If you buy them from somebody, it will be very easy. All you'll need to do is apply them to your photos, adjust the lighting, and start posting your photos on Instagram. But how do you create them by yourself? Let me show you. First, start with a well-lit image and with a low-lit image. Create your desired preset on one of the images and then add it to the other one and adjust the lighting and save both presets. When creating a preset, I wouldn't go too high on exposure or contrast, but instead make sure to edit each of the colors, luminance and temperature for the best results and a unique preset look. If you've already created some content for your Instagram account and have some photos that you want to add to your feed, add them to Lightroom and start creating the presets based on those. Adjust your desired preset to all of them and see what changes you still need to make. My advice is to work on the temperature and luminance and coloring of the preset so that it represents your entire brand and it fits your branding mood board. For that, if your brand is more colorful, try and expose the colors that are more bright, such as yellow, orange, red. But if your brand is more elegant, try and make a bit more brownish with black and white tones. Once you've created a few presets that you want to add to your images and play with them, make sure to add the photos that you want in your desired Instagram feed and apply your preset to all of them. Then you can export them, add them to Canva in a document such as this with 3 photos per row, and try arranging the photos in such a way that will create an aesthetically pleasing look for your feed. Drag and drop each image in the feed and make sure not to add too colorful of images or images that have white background next to another and images that don't have any background one next to another as well. So try and arrange them in a way that looks the most aesthetically pleasing to you and most cohesive, and then you can start posting those exact photos on your Instagram account. And to achieve that exact look for the feed, you will need to start posting them from bottom to top, from right to the left. If you need more tips on creating a cohesive Instagram feed for your account, this video right here has all the advice you need. Overall, using presets in Lightroom is not a difficult thing. What you need is to experiment with different types of lighting, with different types of temperatures, and see which photography style fits your brand the most. And my advice is to take a look at your brand's color palette when you try and create these presets. And for that, you will need to have a branding mood board created for your business. And if you don't have one, in this video, I share exactly how to create one from scratch, and I will share with you in that video as well my free branding mood board template. So make sure to check that out. So when editing those images, you will need to stick to those references that you first made in that branding mood board to fit your brand's style. For example, if your brand's color palette includes a lot of greens, a lot of browns, make sure to make those stand out using that preset. No matter what you do, make sure that each image is edited with the same type of preset before adjusting the lighting. This will help achieve a similar look for your Instagram photos and build that cohesive feed on Instagram. So this is how you edit your Instagram photos step by step in Lightroom with presets. If you've enjoyed this video and you learned something new from it, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lydia_Success for more tips on growing online and making more money. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.